Hi, in this quick video I will unbox Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Gen 5 business laptop. This model was released in 2024 and is a part of Lenovo's T-series, known for its durability and performance. The ThinkPad T14 comes with the latest Intel Core Ultra or AMD Ryzen 8040 series processors, which means it's super fast and perfect for multitasking. Memory on this model can be configured up to 64 GB DDR5. Whether you're working on big documents, editing photos, or having video calls, it handles everything smoothly. What is more, this laptop has a 14-inch display with options for Full HD or super sharp 2.8K OLED. The screen is bright, colourful, and easy on the eyes, great for long hours of work or watching videos. It's also built for comfort and security. You get a legendary ThinkPad keyboard with Lenovo TrackPoint, a fingerprint scanner, and also a 5-megapixel camera with privacy shutter. And it's thin, light, and easy to carry around, but still tough enough to survive drops, light spills, and heavy use. Talking about battery life, it lasts long enough to get you through a full day. Plus, it supports fast charging, so you can top it up quickly. With plenty of ports, including 2 USB-C Thunderbolt 4, 2 USB-A, 1 HDMI, 1 gigabit Ethernet port, headphone mic combo, nano SIM, and smart card reader slot, it's easy to connect your devices. In short, the ThinkPad T14 Gen 5 is a smart choice for professionals, students, and anyone who wants performance, durability, and great features in one laptop. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos.